In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the security overview in Grammarly step by step so you can review your account activity and manage your devices with confidence. This is a quick but important security check, especially if you use Grammarly across multiple devices or you've recently logged in on a new browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Grammarly account so you can access your account settings. Once you're inside Grammarly, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options there, and the one you want to click is Account. This takes you into your account level settings where you can manage personal details, billing, and security options. After clicking Account, find and click Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for Security Overview and select it. This is the section where Grammarly gives you a clearer look at account protection and recent sign-in related information. Once the Security Overview page opens, you'll be able to manage your devices and review recent activity. This is really useful because it helps you see where your account may be signed in and whether anything looks unfamiliar. If you notice a device you don't recognize or activity that seems unusual, this is the right place to start checking. Reviewing this information regularly is a smart habit, especially if you use Grammarly for school, work, or content creation. It helps you stay in control of your account and keeps your data more secure. Take a moment to look through the device list and recent activity details carefully. If everything looks normal, then you know your account is in good shape. And if something doesn't look right, you can take the next security steps right away from your account settings. So that's how to check the security overview in Grammarly in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.